Hello and welcome back to Mackie's Signature Kitchen. Today I'm making the creamiest, fluffiest mashed potato you've ever seen. Simple ingredients, classic flavor, and pure comfort in every bite. Let's get started. Dangerously salt your boiling water to taste. 2 pounds of raw potatoes, 4 tablespoons of butter, 5 garlic cloves, black pepper to taste, salt to taste, and 2 cups of heavy cream. Wash them before and after you peel the potatoes and place them in the pot. Cut them evenly and place them into the boiling water. Next, add the garlic cloves into the water and don't forget to add some salt for flavor. Once the potatoes ready, remove from the stove and drain the water completely. In a separate pot, warm your heavy cream. After, add your butter. This is where the magic begins. Mash your potato and slowly add your heavy cream. Don't forget to season with salt and black pepper and mix until perfectly blended. Have fun plating. This is Mackie's Signature Kitchen. If you love easy comfort food recipes like this, make sure you like and subscribe for more classic recipes coming your way. And trust me, you don't want to miss them. Voila! Enjoy!